This delicious egg and croissant sandwich is ready in no longer than 10 minutes. What is not to like about it? First, set the pan on medium-high heat, and to this we're going in with about a teaspoon of butter. Now onion, you might not like it raw, but once it's cooked, it's becoming sweet, it's becoming so much better. And you're gonna see why it makes so much sense in this recipe in a minute. For a portion, we're only using a quarter of white onion, but if you wish, you can go with more. And now we are to cook this for about 5 minutes or until the onion starts caramelizing slightly. You'll see it slowly changing color and going from white to golden brown in color. And meanwhile, let's prepare our eggs. We've got here 2 whole eggs. I'm adding in a pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Fork, and make sure you beat this well. Now we're using 1 croissant per portion, and we're gonna cut this horizontally. This is short both if you wanna make it yourself, amazing, but that won't be a 10 minutes recipe. Our onion starts getting golden in color, and it will continue cooking even after adding the eggs. We're following up with our croissant cut in half. And now we're gonna cook these eggs for about 2-3 minutes or until it sets. And before we're planning to flip this, get some grated cheddar. In this situation, I've got smoked cheddar. It works absolutely beautifully with the recipe. And I've got here some feta cheese, which I'm just gonna crumble it and mix it with the cheddar, because this way, we're gonna balance that sweetness from the onion. It will work absolutely amazingly well. Few slices of tomato, and it's time to flip this. As you can see, it's set, nice. Turn off the heat, cheese. Make sure you keep everything on one side, tomatoes. And now all we have to do is just bring this together. And this is your sandwich right here. Now, if you enjoyed this simple recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in comments, how would you do this differently? How would you improve this recipe to make it even better? And I'll see you in the next one.